boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Mr. EAZI. Mr. EAZI, chop time, no friend. Okay, so we have this Afrobeat going on here, 3 chords, and it usually goes, like in this case, in the same way through the entire song. We love that, so very easy to play and follow. So let's start the song with capo on third here. All right, so capo on third gives us F, G, and D minor. So let's start with the chords. The F here, a bar chord here, bar placed on the first fret over all strings, and then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And speaking of G, that's the next chord. Sounds like this. And you hold third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then you have the final chord, the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. All right, so F, G, and D minor, that's what's going on here. The strumming pattern next, so grab the first chord, the F, and one round will be down, up, clap, down. Very common strumming pattern for these types of songs. So that's the strumming there and the rhythm. Down, up, clap, down. So you have a down first and a short pause, and then comes up, clap, down. And that's one round, and then you immediately continue with the next round. So a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. Goes like this. And so on. So you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for F, 1 for G, and 1 for D minor. And that goes like this, in the same way through the entire song. So F2, G1, D minor 1. Just gonna mention one technique stuff there. It goes fast sometimes, so it's nice to know some guitar hacks here. From the G here, you have this grip. I keep my ring finger on the 3rd fret B string, and I glue that till the D minor, okay? So the switch between G and D minor goes pretty fast like this, and then I have one finger there automatically in the right spot there, okay? You see that? G to D minor, and then you have to release it, of course, but yeah, like this. Makes life a little bit easier. Anyway, Mr. EAZI, speaking of easy, chop time, no friend. That's for you guys. So thank you for supporting me here. And until next time, play tuned.